Dear students, welcome to BDA. In this short video, I'm going through the important study guide to let you understand a bit more how we're going to conduct BDA lessons in the coming April semester. I will be your subject leader. You may address me Miss Yang or Dr. Yang. Together with me, there will be Dr. Maurice Ling and also Dr. Trat Yek Tan. This study guide will be uploaded to LMS. So I will make announcements so you are able to refer to this document. BDA is a 5 CU subject. In this subject, we have 11 topics to be covered, right? And then if you look at our teaching plan, you are going to see we are going to have lectures, tutorials, and practicals, right? For lectures, we are going to still use pre-recording for you to watch and then the contents covered by each topic, right? Tutorial and practical, we are going to meet you face-to-face, right? So in the week 2, we start to see you guys according to the timetable lesson. So you have to go to the right venue, right? At the right timing. Okay, to increase some interactivity in the lecture setting, we have planned 6 synchronous lectures, which will happen on Friday 9 a.m. It's not referring to all the weeks, all right? So you have to take a closer look at the remarks column to figure out in which week you are supposed to tune into Microsoft Teams to participate in these synchronous lectures, right? In these synchronous lectures, we are going to debrief the quick checks and also to answer any queries you may have, and at the same time to clarify any doubts, right? So if you look at this remarks column, you notice week 1, you are supposed to tune into Microsoft Teams on Friday morning, 9 a.m. Week 3, week 6, week 7, week 12, and week 17, all right? For tutorials, as I have mentioned, we are going to conduct all the tutorials face-to-face, but you will notice there are a few very special tutorial lessons, tutorial 4, tutorial 8, and tutorial 10. We are going to conduct them in a so-called hybrid mode. What do I mean by that? We are going to identify 1/3 of the tutorial class. We are going to leave this 1/3 of the class at home. So you are going to tune into the Microsoft Teams to participate in this lesson. 2/3 of the class will be staying in the classroom, all right? Because we have selected 3 tutorials, so each of you should have the equal chance to be identified to participate synchronously at home or synchronously in the classroom, right? The details will be given to you approaching to each of these identified tutorials. For practicals, there is no exception, so all the practicals are conducted face-to-face. Something very important is your assessment. So if you look at the teaching plan, we have 5 assessment points. Your quiz 1 to be conducted online, face-to-face term test 1, and face-to-face quiz 2, you will have an assignment and another term test 2. All right, so there will be 5 assessment points. Another very important thing I want to remind you is this weightage, right? This is most students are very concerned about. So this is a weightage for each assessment component. Another important thing is about how many maximum non-attendance sessions students are allowed to have. So we have calculated, and maximally you are only allowed to have 3 sessions out of these 23 tutorial plus practical sessions, all right? If you have exceeded this limit, you will get the non-graded pass, so very important. Lastly, I'll just introduce our team again, right? So you can find our full name, email address, and the extension number. My office number is linked with my mobile phone, so I will try to answer your call anytime when I'm available. That will be all. Happy learning!